Here's a new 2023 Mercedes-Benz CLA. This is a dream within reach. The sporty styling and performance, however, mean you'll leave a lot of people in the dust. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, engine auto stop-start feature, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice-activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and auto-shift manual transmission. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.